Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through a quick and effective way to import products right into your Shopify store using a handy tool called Robo Product Importer. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add new products to your store with just a few clicks, saving yourself tons of time and hassle. Whether you're launching a new shop or just looking to expand your inventory, this guide will help you get your products up and running smoothly. So let's jump right in. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head to the search bar. Type in Robo Product Importer. This is the extension we'll be using today. Make sure you're looking at the right one, and once you've found it, go ahead and click on it. Installation is really straightforward. You'll see an install button or something similar near the top right. Give that a click to start the process. Once you've installed the extension, the next step is to actually get it activated on your browser. Click on Get the extension if you're prompted. This grabs the latest version so you're working with all the up-to-date features. Then hit Add to Chrome. This lets your browser recognize and use the extension, and you should soon see a little confirmation pop up once it's successfully added. Now, the extension might be hidden among your other browser tools. To make things easier for yourself, take a moment to pin it to your browser's toolbar. Usually there's a little puzzle piece icon near the top right of Chrome. Click that, find Robo Product Importer in the list, and then click the pin icon next to it. This just means you'll always have quick access without digging through menus every time. It's a tiny step, but it saves so much time when you're working on multiple products. Next, let's find the product you want to bring into your Shopify store. This could be an item from a wholesaler's site or even your own supplier's product page. Just navigate to the page for the product you want, and with the Robo Product Importer icon pinned and ready, click on it. A little menu should appear, and among the options, look for Add Shopify. Clicking this tells the extension that you want to import the current product specifically to your Shopify account. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see customization options. This lets you adjust the basic info, like title and price, tweak the description so it fits your brand voice, and manage the images. Spend a moment here to make sure things look right. For example, maybe the product name is a bit generic, or the description could use some personality to suit your store. Also, double-check the product images for quality. Remember, great photos can really make a difference in whether customers click Add to Cart. Don't rush through this part. A little time spent now will make your shop stand out later. Once you're happy with your edits, look for the Import or Add Product to Shopify button. Give it a click, and the extension will send your product straight to your Shopify store. This part might take a few moments depending on the complexity of the product, so don't worry if you need to wait a few seconds. To finish up, pop back into your Shopify dashboard and check your product section. You should see your newly imported product listed right there. Go ahead and open it up to double-check everything transferred as expected. It's always a good idea to review things like images and descriptions just in case. And that's it. You've just imported a product to Shopify in just a few clicks. If you found this tutorial useful, hit that like button and consider subscribing for more Shopify tips and tricks. If you have any questions or run into any roadblocks, drop a comment below. I check them regularly and I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.